Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Jojo and thank you so much for being here. So in today's episode, I want to share with you a passion project that I recently completed. I have been sharing room makeovers on this channel for some time now, and one of my lovely viewers reached out and she wanted my help in making over her laundry space. She's in the laundry business and she was opening a new space in Imara Daima, and she wanted me to come in and help her make over the whole place. Her brief was she wanted me to incorporate pallets, so we had to work with pallets for the shelves and also for the storage. And the other thing is, from afar, she wanted someone to recognize that this is a laundry place. So she wanted something that would speak that this is laundry. And the third thing she wanted is to have a modern touch on the wall, and you'll get to see how we got to achieve all that in this place. First things first, I had to come for a site visit. So I came and saw the shop. It is strategically located along the busy road, so that was a plus for it. And then it is a small space, around 15 square meter, and it is L-shaped, so it was a bit challenging, but what is life without a few challenges here and there? So I took up the challenge. Since she wanted us to work with pallets, I knew the best place that I'd get good pallets is Gikomba, of course. So I went to Gikomba in search of a good pallet that had grains, so that is what gives the pallet the good look. So I managed to get the pallets that were rich in grain, and you get to see how it beautifully came in place. So at the corner of the L shape, I decided to do like a storage area. So that's like their in tray. So when they get their dirty clothes, when clients bring them their clothes, so that's where they're supposed to store them before they go to the laundry area. And then on top, I had to do like a rack. So the clothes that have been washed and they are ready to be dispatched to the clients, or maybe the clients are supposed to come and pick them. So that's where the clothes are going to be hung, and also with the cover, with their label of course. And then on the other side, I had to do like a shelf for heavy stuff like duvets and like the big bed covers. So that's where they're going to be placed after they've been washed. At the bottom, there's a shelf, like a storage area, where the attendants can put in their stuff and lock them, because it will give them privacy. So next to it, there's a shoe rack. That's where the shoes that have been washed, that's where they get to be stored. And then now the star of the show is the reception area. So this was a bit challenging to put everything together, but we did manage to do that. And at the front of the reception area is where they had to do their branding. So when you just get in the shop, you get to see their name and the contact details. And then at the end, we had to do like a door area where the attendant can be able to go in and come out. For the extra space at the reception area, we decided to do like an L-shaped bench where clients would come if they have any inquiries, or maybe they're waiting for their clothes to be handed over to them. So that's where they would chill and sort of wait. It's a waiting bay. For the walls, remember she wanted a modern touch to it. So I did go to Google and Pinterest of course, and I searched for quotes and messages that resonated with the laundry business. And for the quotes, we did paint them on a sticker paper, and that is what we put on the wall. Now to the most challenging part of this project. We go to the exterior. So we wanted something that would speak to someone who's just walking by the road, or any passerby would know by the look of this shop, this is a laundry area. So I set out to Gikomba and found a very good deal on a washing machine that was not working of course. That was 2,000. So because we wanted to achieve that 3D effect, and something that when you just see it, you just know this is a place where you can come and get your clothes washed. So for the other part of the wall, we stuck shirts, we have socks, we have like jackets, and also we did cut a laundry bin, and we put clothes in it and stuck on the wall. So anyone passing by here, when they just look at the shop without even seeing the name, they know this is a place where you can come and bring your clothes to be washed. Wondering what happened to the drum that was in the washing machine? Let me show you. So I present to you the light fixture that we modified from the drum that was in the washing machine. And we took a piece of pajama, we did cut a pajama piece and cladded it on the light fixture. For the final touches, we decided to change up the tiles since the tiles had some outdated design. So we decided to cover it all up, and our choice was tough grass. And it brings beauty to the whole place. And also, when you step on it, it gives you the soft feeling. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Perkel Laundry Services.